guys, it's Tiffany, and I just went to the mall, and I came back with snow in a can, and I guess we're gonna try it, so let's get started. The instructions on this are not exactly helpful. Oh, it's non-toxic, so that's good. Okay, wait a minute. There's 2 openings! How do they expect me to pick which? Well, that was stupid. And I think I've done something wrong. Huh. That makes more sense. Oh. Well, this is useless. Here is the snow. It looks like this. It looks like stuff. Okay, oh! So here's instructions that are actually useful. And there's a shovel. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up. And how to make decorative snow. Read all instructions and warnings. Those are okay. Well, after reading that, I am now scared because that looks dangerous. We're not gonna need that anymore. Okay, I guess we're gonna need a bowl. I was not expecting to have prepared stuff. I have to go get a bowl now. I got a bowl! Okay, so I need water too! Wow, thanks to okay. Add it in. Oh my god! Wait, nothing's happening. I was really expecting this to do something. Maybe I have to stir it. Oh, whoa, what? That's so weird. Whoa! Look! Oh my god! I think I need more water. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm definitely doing this wrong. I don't know what I was expecting, but I thought this would do something a lot cooler. Very messy. Is what instant snow looks like. If you were wondering, there you go, because I made a video about it. Great quality content, Tiffany. Thank you, Tiffany. Yeah, I'm sorry if this video was kind of but I'll have better stuff for you guys next week. And yeah, if you have any ideas of what to do with this, then let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to give the video a like. And if you're feeling fancy, you can hit that subscribe button down there because it really helps me out a lot. And yeah, just sit in a different one.
Order! Thank you.
It's really soft. Wow, look, I made a mess.